All right, before we get into the video, there's gonna be a link in the description below for Robinhood. If you use that link to sign up, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, it's all good. And you stand a chance of getting a Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, Facebook, GE, Ford, and many more. And remember that everything on the Robinhood app is free. You don't pay any fees to trade. That means buy or sell any stock. Also, options are free too. So please use that link. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Here we are on the home screen of the web platform of the Robinhood app. And to get to cryptocurrencies, which is what this video is about, you simply go up to the search box, type in crypto, and you're going to see it pulls up some of the cryptocurrencies, like the main ones. If you just click on show more right here, it's going to bring you to the home page for the cryptocurrencies. Now, you're going to see 17 cryptocurrencies on Robinhood right now, but I believe there's only like 7 that you can actually buy. And all the ones you can buy, you're going to see following. I'm following all them. So you got Bitcoin SV, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and of course, Bitcoin. Okay, we're gonna go to one that you cannot purchase on Robinhood, just to show you what it looks like. We're gonna go to XRP, which is Ripple. When you get to a screen like this, you're gonna notice unavailable. Robinhood supports only real-time market data for Ripple. So you can only see the real-time data for Ripple. And this is going to lead into another segment. We're going to click this learn more. And of course, here are your cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell on Robinhood. Now they say they're going to be updating. So eventually there's going to be other cryptocurrencies that you will be able to purchase. Just right now, there's only 7. Now, one of the bad notes is it isn't available in every state. Here's the states that you can buy crypto with Robinhood. I believe there's like 38 or 39 states, but they said that every day they're adding more and more and more. So you can get on an email list with Robinhood, or if you open up a Robinhood account and request crypto, they'll let you know when it's available in your state. Okay, we're back on the home screen again. And we're gonna go to Ethereum. I'm actually gonna purchase some more Ethereum. I have left over like $2 and something in my account. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in Ethereum. So when you get to the cryptocurrency you wanna buy, you're gonna see this little box over here. And if you don't own any of it, you're not gonna see the sell tab. You'll just see the buy tab. So we're gonna make sure the buy tab is lit up. Right now I have $2.83 buying power available. So we're gonna go ahead and throw $2.83 into Ethereum. Once you have the amount in there that you want to purchase, this is a little different from a stock. You're not buying shares. You just say, I want $10 of Ethereum or $10 of whatever cryptocurrency, and it's gonna give you a fraction of one of the tokens. See, if you look, before we do this, if you look down here, I own 0.516548 of Ethereum, of an Ethereum token. So you can buy fractions of cryptocurrencies. So we're gonna go ahead and buy Ethereum. So go up here, make it a limit order, $2.83, limit price $311.51, review order, submit buy, and it's spinning and spinning and spinning right now, but it'll let you know something here in just a second. And it says our order is pending. So I'll come back whenever the order fills. Okay, we are back. It took about a minute to fill. As you can see, we have $163.97 of equity in Ethereum. We got an average cost of $273. You see right now it's sitting at almost $312. So we're up 14%. And I just want to talk a little bit before we end this video on how important it is. If you believe in cryptocurrency, if you believe it is the future, which I do believe that, I believe it is going to be something that's going to be used widespread. And right now there's no better time to buy cryptocurrencies. It's on a run. It's headed back to the highs that it was in 2018. So I can't stress that enough. This is a trend. Cryptocurrency is a trend. It's where we're trending to, just like there's a few other trends I'll talk about. So get in now and make that money. I want to thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you can get notifications of future videos. And with that, I'm out. See you in the next video.